mute. Whenever required, you speak and don't overlap. Somehow we'll start with the topic. Today's GD topic is self-reliance India. Is it possible in globalization, the era of globalization? What are the challenges are being faced? This is the topic. So Prithvi sir and I will be looking into this course of every individual. Okay. So please start someone, and I will not tell who will start or anything. This is up to you. Everybody has the right to speak. 20 people are in the group.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Before moving further about the topic, I would like to introduce the topic, that is self-reliance India. Nowadays, we are seeing that India's Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, slogan like "Made in India, Made in India." So it is just a synonym of same. Nowadays, we are seeing that manufacturing setup in India is not much growth as comparison of other Western countries. Like in started from agriculture to industrial, then service sector. But we move agriculture to industrial not in that phase, as we directly shifted to service sector. So that's why, and why we need Made in India more. That is, it earns for foreign currency. We can save this. So that's all about the self-reliance need for India. And I would like to add.
I would like to correct.
Yes, I would to like.
Okay, you can.
Yes, sir. Self-reliance is not a Make in India project. It is a Atmanirbhar scheme. In self-reliance, Modi government mainly focus on import substitution strategy, which is known as inward-looking trade strategy, in which we will produce or replace the imported goods with the domestic product, so that it will create employment opportunities in manufacturing sectors as well as service sectors. And we will mainly dependent on our domestic product, not on imported goods.
Yeah, I agree with you, Ankit, but I have a point to add over here. Like PM Modi has already started many schemes like Skill India and and all those things. But one of the challenge that is there is like the raw material, right? We are lacking for some of the raw material for some of the things, like for electric vehicles, for the that is only available in the Chile. So we have to be dependent on them. So that is one of the point. So that will be a challenge.
Yes.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. Because there are a lot of tech giants in place, and they have a lot of resources and amounts. So in terms, well, to being in competition with them, it is very tough to build their own business as a person. And the people, as a human being, they have very less amount of funds with them to continue their business. So if somebody starts it also, he will at the end of the day, he will run out of his funds and cannot continue with the business processes. Apart from that, there is right now a pandemic in action. So people are getting sick and they are spending all of their savings into pharmaceuticals and medical bills. So they cannot plan for their future right now. This is not the perfect time. Apart from that, we have very less amount of people who are who have self-esteem. Like people fail very, very often, and they cannot learn from them, and they think that this is not my cup of tea, so they just abandon the project. This is one of the most points.
I think
that at present, considering the times we are ready to self-reliance.
Vilas or Kirti, someone go ahead. Vilas.
Yeah, totally. I would like to thank you for this thing. But one thing is that there are very knowledgeable technology giants who are making some products which are very cost effective to them. And if you try to buy them, that will be very cheap for you. But if we as Atmanirbhar Bharat do something, we don't have previous experience, we don't have that much of knowledge how to create a product in a very cost effective way. So in that case, the product will be much higher in price. So that is not coming in terms of buying it.
Yes, my friend, you are right that we have lack in technology, but you can see that we have many sectors. Like you can see that ISRO, we can take the example that we are not much technical thing we have, but like ISRO, we are helping other countries in this जैसे हम लोग इसरो में हम लोग अदर जो कंट्रीज हैं उनके सैटेलाइट्स को लॉन्च करते हैं, उसे अपना पैसा मतलब मनी अर्ज कर रहे हैं, मनी कमा रहे हैं, तो ये सब चीजें हम प्रमोट कर सकते हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि टेक्नोलॉजी में हम लोग पीछे हैं तो उस चीज को हम लोग प्रमोट नहीं मतलब प्रमोट हमें नहीं करना चाहिए। वी शुड प्रमोट इट। ऐसे और भी चीजें हैं जिसमें भारत अगर टेक्नोलॉजी को छोड़ दिया है, जिस टेक्नोलॉजी में भी हम ग्रोथ कर सकते हैं, पर और भी चीजें हैं जैसे सूती वस्त्र उद्योग हो गया या फिर और चीजें डायमंड कटिंग
like his face. So similarly things happen in interviews and in mock. It's a very bad, very what you see, very hectic thing to judge people on only with their voice. So that's why these are hectic schedules. So do rectify. We will go with 6 or 7 people. I am trying to get how many people they put normally, 6 or 10. So whatever the number, we will go with that number only. I know
next time we'll go with 6 to 7 people only.
Others will be listening.
With 2 persons.
Yeah, others will be listening.
And
this time slots will be 10 minutes. And if someone misses it, he will lose the point. Okay, so that's why you know how to come how to pick your point, how to put your point in first round. There could be 3 rounds: opening round, interjection round, or supporting round, or closing round. Depending upon things, you can speak.
Also, Pravanjan sir, also I just want to add, no one has done any closing remark.
Yes.
No one has done.
Yes. So that is what we want. I hope
there should be 10-second, 20-second closing remark from everyone. That doesn't happen in this group discussion.
Okay, and remember, I think these rectifications are okay to start with a real GD. I think many of you are facing first time banking GD. That's why I wanted this with a group. 2 mentors are with us. That's why we wanted it, because you should learn from others' mistakes. Yeah.
So just wanted to ask that another sir said that it should be from everyone. So closing remark should be from everyone or just from one person for the whole group?
So see, if time permits, everyone can have a closing remark, but never ever you will get one. So someone will come and sum up.
Okay.
Someone will come and sum up. So that is a very good thing, and he will be getting extra mark. Okay, someone will come and sum up on behalf of everything. And don't go away, because see, this topic is little. Either you are with this side and not with the side. You cannot go with so many things because you don't have time. Okay, you don't have time. You should come with one point and that's enough. Okay, and we are not here to argue. This is not a TV debate. We are not here to argue. Just get your marks, get out, and get selected. Nowhere you have to connect with that 6 people sitting there. Nowhere you have to take otherwise if somebody has told anything bad about you. Enjoy if somebody says any bad remark about you in the group discussion, because he will be losing the point, you will be gaining it if you revert in a smile. Okay, that is what necessary.
Pravanjan sir, you are absolutely right. This point should be noted by all candidates. No negative comment to any
candidate. If negative comment, it is a very good chance for you to score the mark. If Somalya has given a negative remark to Bineet reaction will give him good marks, and Somalya will be losing it. Okay, Bilas, is it okay? Is it okay to you now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Mr. Vilas, we want to listen 20 seconds from you, the closing remark.
Go ahead with it.
Sir, first thing, what I think is our GD has not considered 2 points. Our GD was about either Atmanirbhar Bharat can be possible in the globalization. What about, first we should understand what is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat is not about disconnecting ourselves with the other world. Atmanirbhar Bharat is about making our domestic companies stronger so that we can fulfill demand of our internal demand, and then we can compete with the global demand. So it's about integrating India with the value chain. So now thing is about either it is possible in the Atmanirbhar Bharat is possible in the globalization. Yes, it is possible in the global.